Hi children, book reading session. Cell, the basic unit of life, class lecture 2. Cell wall. In bacteria and plant cells, the outermost cell cover present outside the plasma membrane is the cell wall, about which we shall study now. Bacteria cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Given below is the structure of function of the plant cell wall. Okay. So cell wall can be found only in plant cell. In animal cell, that is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. In the bacteria, the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. The structure. Outermost non-living layer is present in all plant cells secreted by the cell itself. In most plants, it is chiefly made up of but may also contain other chemical substances such as pectin and lignin. The substances constituting the cell wall is not simply homogeneous but it consists of the fine thread or fibers. So the structure of cell wall is, this is the outermost layer. This is the outermost layer in the plant cell and it is made up of cellulose, sometimes pectin and also lignin. Pectin can be found in apple, orange, lemon, their cell wall, and lignin can be found in the plants which is there in hills. Okay. Next, walls of two adjacent cells are firmly joined by a cementing material called middle lamella made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. It may be 1 micron and transparent as in the cells of onion peel. In some cases, it is very thick as in the cells of wood. So, the joining of between two cells, okay, the connection between two cells is made up of middle lamella. The connection between two cells is made up of middle lamella. So, middle lamella only supporting to connect one cell to another cell. It is the middle lamella is made up of calcium and also magnesium pectate. It may be very thin like onion peel, very thick like wood. The functions of cell wall. The cell wall protects the delicate inner part of the cell. Being rigid, it gives shape to the cell. As it is rigid, it does not allow distension of the cell, thus leading to turgidity of the cell that is useful in many ways. It freely allows the passage of water and other chemicals in and out of the cells. So, cell wall, it is used to protecting other cell organelles. Okay, it is strong. Okay, as it is in the onion peel, it is very thin, but in wood, it is thicker. Okay, so whatever it may be, it will give the proper shape to the cell and it will allow the water and nutrient transportation. There are breaks in the primary cell wall of the adjacent cells through which cytoplasm of the cell remains connected with the other. These cytoplasmic strands which connect one cell to the another cell known as plasmodesmata. So, the connection between two cells are by plasmodesmata. So, these are the questions. Draw the structure of the cell wall. Explain the functions of cell wall as we discussed already. Then, so these are the two questions for you, classwork and the home test. Now, worksheet explanation. So, who am I? Here 5 options are given. Plant cell, animal cell, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. Actually, this worksheet is made from the 4 classes also. Okay, all together only I have selected the questions. So, from the 4 classes. So, I am a eukaryotic cell present in green plants. I am a eukaryotic cell present in green plants. So, in green plants, what we can find? Plant cell, animal cell, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. I am a cell present in animals. I may also called as plasma membrane. I can give protect to the cell. I can protect to the cell. I will give proper shape to the cell. So, this is the questions and the options are above. So, you can choose any correct answer. Fun ability, a small test for you. Complete the following. So, these also all important biological terms based on these 4 classes I have given. You have to find out your ability. Okay, in a hard words. So, C dash L dash. Okay, so like that I have given nearly 7 questions. Okay, I hope this worksheet is easy for you. You can able to complete. Always be optimistic. Don't be pessimistic. Thank you, children.